Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Ideal Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one e-commerce app in React.js, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like I enjoyed my previous projects of React.js clones and many other things which I have just made. So now just we will be starting with our e-commerce app. But first of all, you have to just hit the subscribe button. Then after that, you have to also hit the notification bell, from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. And from that, it will be also help for you, and it will be also help for me, because from that you will be earning more new things, more new clones, and more new other things which I will be just uploading in future. And I hope you will be just enjoying that also. So now you can see, you will be thinking like, why I've just taken that to mobile. So the answer is like, this is not any of the responsive thing. It is only a mobile e-commerce app, you can see, which I have just made, because this project which we are making, it is called e-commerce mobile app. Okay, so here we are just building that, you can see that e-commerce app. So in this e-commerce app, first of all, we are just getting a logo of Amazon. So here I've just make the like Amazon, I've make e-commerce app. You can also just make your own e-commerce app and just take your own logo or any other logo you want to. Then you can also select your own city and many other things. You can also select your account, your country, and you can select the shopping cart. You can also add your own products. I have just add some of the products previously, you can see that. So just I am making this e-commerce app here, and I hope you will be enjoying that. So now here we are also getting this section here in the last, like in which we are just getting many things like Amazon. Then there is like language you can select, which you have to just take. Then you can also select like money, if you just want to pay the products which you are just like purchasing in US dollar or rupees. You can just select that. Then you have to also select the country from which you are just paying that, and then you can also press this to just go to at the top, or you can also press this back to top by going to top. You can see I've just linked that here with JavaScript in React.js. You can see when I'm pressing, so I'm just directly going to top. So we will be just building that, and for building that here, first of all, here I will be doing one thing now. Just I'll be closing these things. I was just checking my channel, because of that I've opened. Now here I have to just open another thing which should be like my text editor, in which I'll be writing my React.js codes. So here I'll be opening my VS Code simply. So just open that by writing VS Code. Then here we don't have to just make any of the like React folder or file, because here we will be just making a random React file and just working in that of JavaScript, and then we'll be linking that with CSS there. So it will be good to go. So here I just already make the file, so it will be easy for you. So just I'll be telling you how to make that if you just don't know. So just you have, I'll be raising these things which I have just written previously. Now you have to do one thing, just I'll be saving that, and for making a file, just you have to take new file, then just go to press save as button or save. So I'll be pressing save. Then you have to just select the location where you have to just save your file, and when you are saving your React.js file, just after that you have to first of all write your name of your for a file which you have to just save with the name. Then after that you have to just write dot, like here write dot. Then you have to just write JS, because here in React.js we have to work with JavaScript. So because of that you have to just write JS to just save that like JavaScript file. So like that, when you will be just saving that, so it will be just automatically save your file into JavaScript. So you can just work with that and just write codes to just take how it's looking. So I'll be closing this file simply, and here I have to just import some of the things, like I'll be import React script. So here I'll be writing import script from React. Okay, so I'll be writing import script from React Redux. So here I'll be writing. So when you've done with that things, now simply I'll be just doing one thing, coming underneath here. Then I'll be writing here like import. Then I'll be moving forward, writing that to React from, and here I'll be writing that to React statement. So when you've done with that things, now here coming underneath, then I'll be writing that to import statement, and then I'll be writing from Redux. So when you've done with that things, now I'll be doing one thing, I'll be coming underneath. Then here I'll be changing that to a tag which should be just like here. First of all you have to just come, then right here floor dot random. But before that, here we have to just not import anything here. So when I'm just importing, so it is just giving like thing. So here I'll be raising that. Then here I'll be coming and writing the close section here, so we can just close these things which we are writing now. So when you've done with that, just now here I'll be doing one thing, I'll be writing here like bar. If I just write, then you have to just write equal to, and in that I'll be writing that to like media dot. And here I'll be first of all doing one thing, I'll be just coming here. Then here I'll be opening a Twitch clone, and then if I just open that here, going to my app.js, so you can see we are getting these things. So here I'll be doing one thing, simply closing that here, and just I'll be closing this thing also. Then I'll be writing here like navbar, right here filter equal, then right here react. And when you've done with that thing, just I'll be coming and in this bracket I'll be writing media dot user dot floor. So just I'll be closing that now. Then I'll be just coming underneath, changing that to view array, then just write in that filter now. Just I'll be closing that again. Then I'll be moving forward, writing that to floor dot random, and now I will be writing here navbar. Close again. Now when you've done with that things here, just coming here again, writing that to like filter. Then I'll be changing that to like statement, and equal to I'll be writing that to like redux. So here I'll be just writing that, and now here I'll be writing this open bracket of curly brackets. Then here I'll be changing that to like navbar dot, but before that here I'll be now writing floor dot, change that to like filter, and then after it I'll be writing view. So just I'll be now closing that. Then when you've done with that things, here I'll be now coming, changing that to a tag which should be like array. Then I'll be moving forward, then changing that to react equal, and here I'll be writing navbar. So when you've done with that things, now here I'll be coming, changing that to a tag which should be like user dot, and here I'll be writing that to floor again. So when you've done that, just now I'll be changing that to like another tag which should be filter, but we have just already done, so I'll be writing array here. Then I'll be just closing this curly brackets, and now I will be coming underneath, changing that to a tag which should be script. So here I'll be moving forward now, then changing that to like react, which we have already done. I'll be writing redux equal, and here I'll be just changing that to like user, and then I'll be closing this like bracket and moving forward, changing that to floor dot, and here right again, then which should be like navbar. Then I'll be writing dot react. So when you've done with that, now here I'll be closing this. Then I'll be just coming underneath, and now when you've done with that thing, just you have to save here. Then you have to make a class here, so we can just define this class as a name. So here I'll be writing div class name, and like I'm telling you, when you are writing class name in React, so the n which you are writing after class should be in capital. Then you can just write any of your class name. So here I'll be writing folder, closing that, and then I'll be copying this close div here, erasing, and then I'll be coming underneath and pasting. So you can see now the error which was just coming in the starting underneath this, all the things is gone now, because here I have just put these all things in class. So in React you have to just make a class, which is really important to make, and then you have to just store things in that. So when you've done with that, just I'll be moving here. Then I'll be defining my class name, which was just folder. So I'll be writing dot, because like I told you, when you are defining class, you have to just write dot in the starting. Coming underneath, writing that to like justify content here, simply which should be in center. And now here I'll be just writing that to like align item now, which should be in center. So when you've done with that things, here I'll be writing that to like display block. Then here I'll be writing text align center, and I'll be also changing that to like another thing which should be box sizing border box. And when you've done with that, just I'll be now changing that to like float into left, and here I'll be writing that to a tag which will be just like font style normal. So here I'll be writing that, and when you've done with that, just I'll be changing that to like text justify, which should be inherit. And when you've done with that, just I'll be now writing that to like font size 14 pixel, create that to like font weight 500, and then I'll be changing that to like font family, which will be like font syrup, comma sans serif. So when you're done with that thing, now here I'll be writing border 1 pix solid white, and here I'll be changing that to like border color, which should be white, and here I'll be writing color, which should be black. So when you're done with that, now here I'll be writing border radius, so we can just define that 10 pixel. Write that to like border left and 100 pixel, then write that to like border right 100 pixel, change that to a tag which should be like border top 100 pixel, and then I'll be writing that to like border bottom, which should be 100 pixel. So when I'm done with that thing now, just I'll be now changing that to like border style none, and I'll be writing that to like border width 100 pixel, create line height, which should be 100 pixel. So when I'm done with that things, now change that to like border none, and then I'll be also writing that to like outline, which will be none. So when you've done with that, change that to like list style none, and here I'll be writing list style type, which should be none. So when you've done with that thing, now here I'll be writing flags direction column. So here I'll be writing flags wrap, which should be wrap reverse, and when you've done with that, just I'll be writing flags flow column, and here I'll be writing flags basis, which should be content. Create that to like flags, and I'll be changing that to like flex grow, which will be inherit, and when you're done with that thing, just I'll be writing flex, change that to flex shrink inherit. So when you're done with that, just I'll be now writing direction inherit, then I'll be writing that to attack, which will be just like background now, which will be white, and when you're done with that thing, here I'll be writing background color, which will be white, and here I'll be also changing that to like background position in center, and when you're done with that, just I'll be now writing that to like background position X, which will be in center, and when you're done with that, just now I will be writing background position dash Y, which should be in center. So when you're done with that, just I'll be now writing that to like background clip, which should be content box, create that to like background, change that to like background origin, which should be content box, write that to like background attachment, which should be fixed. So when you're done with that thing now, just I'll be coming here writing that to like background size cover, and here I'll be writing that to like background repeat, which should be repeat, and when you're done with that thing, just I'll be writing now background blend mode color one, so just I'll be writing that, and here and now I will be writing that to like background, change that to background image having the URL, in which I'll be defining that to like background, which will be JPEG, because here I have to define my first image, which I have to just define. Then I'll be writing nav index current, and then I'll be changing that to like nav left current, and here I'll be writing nav right, which should be current. So when I'm done with that thing, now I'll be writing nav up current, and I'll be changing that to like nav down, which will be current. So when I'm done with that thing, simply I'll be going to file, pressing save, and now when you've done that, just I'll be opening my Google Chrome to check, and you can see now our e-commerce app is just ready. If I scroll down, you can see everything is just working here. We are just getting our logo of Amazon at the top with the help of our background image which we have just put in our CSS. We are also getting our country after that, then our search box. We are also getting our country, like you can select that from here if I press. So you can see that you can also select language from here. So just I'll be going back again. So you can see now we are just getting that all things. So like that you can just work with. So here I'll be coming, then I'll be taking it to back. So you can see we have just made that successfully. So like that you can just build your own e-commerce app in React.js. So I hope you understand how to build one e-commerce app in React.js, and I hope you also enjoy this project like a previous project of React.js. So this practice it all project we are working with, and I hope you will be a good promoter of that. Just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, good bye.